TCI, we don't just supply machines. We deliver complete cleaning solutions. Presenting the TCI Auto Scrubber Drier Walk Behind 40E. Compact, powerful, and designed for professional floor cleaning. The TCI 40E features an ergonomic adjustable handle and simple controls including water and vacuum switches, making operation easy and comfortable. Installation is simple and quick. After removing the packing, the handle, brush, and squeegee are assembled, and the machine is ready for operation within minutes. Once installed, the TCI 40E is ready for professional cleaning. It comes with a 40-liter clean water tank and a 45-liter dirty water recovery tank, allowing longer cleaning operation with fewer refilling and emptying stops. The TCI 40E is equipped with a powerful induction-based brush motor, providing strong and consistent scrubbing performance to remove tough dirt and stains. For drying, the machine uses a high-quality Amitech vacuum motor for excellent water pickup. To protect the vacuum motor, a float ball shut-off system automatically stops suction when the dirty water tank is full, preventing water from entering the motor. The TCI 40E features an ergonomic height-adjustable handle for operator comfort. Fill the clean water tank with water and cleaning chemical. Switch on the machine. Lower the brush and squeegee. Turn on the water and vacuum, and push the machine forward. The TCI 40E will scrub and dry the floor in a single pass. After cleaning, the dirty water can be easily drained using the provided drain pipe, ensuring quick and hygienic disposal. In just one pass, the TCI 40E delivers visibly cleaner, drier, and safer floors. The TCI Auto Scrubber Drier 40E is the perfect solution for efficient, reliable, and professional floor cleaning. Contact TCI today for more details or to book a live demonstration.